Hi, my name is Dr. Todd Rowe, and I'm here to share a few tips on the homeopathic medicine Antimonium Tartaricum. Before I start, I'd just like to say that nothing in this material is meant to diagnose, cure, prescribe for, or treat any illness. Please consult your homeopathic practitioner for treatment options. This is a picture of antimony, which is an element. Antimonium tartaricum is a potassium salt of antimony. It's an odorless, colorless white powder. It's fairly corrosive when heated and has been used in hair dyes and dyes of various kinds, and also as an insecticide. Medicinally, it's been used in treating bronchial ailments and pneumonia and worms historically. In homeopathic medicine, Antimonium tartaricum is one of our main remedies for bronchitis. And it's the kind of bronchitis where there is a lot of non-productive cough. It's also the kind of bronchitis that is more common in the elderly than it is often in younger people. It's also a very useful remedy for whooping cough. You can use it to treat chicken pox. Also, it's a powerful remedy for impetigo. And some characteristics emotionally of people who need this remedy include irritability, particularly in children, but also in adults. They are annoyed easily. And they also don't like to be touched and will oftentimes shriek when being touched. This remedy has a strong effect on the respiratory tract and the mucous membranes. They are worse from warmth and worse from lying down, better sitting up, and better coughing up mucus if they can get it up, which is quite difficult for them. Often there is a lot of weakness and drowsiness and sleepiness associated with this remedy. It's particularly used, as I mentioned, in the elderly, but can be also used in young children. There is often a cold, clammy sweat that accompanies their complaints, and it can be used for more severe infections like sepsis. With their respiratory problems, there can often be a lot of mucus and rattling of mucus in the chest, difficulty breathing, and cough that's accompanied by vomiting. Typically, their respiratory problems are worse in the winter, and as I mentioned, a useful remedy for whooping cough. You can also use this remedy for nausea and vomiting, particularly vomiting that's worse lying on the right side, or nausea that's worse with motion, like motion sickness, or nausea that comes on in waves. It's also a useful remedy for low back pain or lumbago, and as I mentioned, for chicken pox and impetigo. Two main remedies you can compare this to are carbo-vegetabilis, or vegetable charcoal, and opium, which comes from the poppy plant. You can order this remedy at orders@amch.org, or if you'd like to know more about this homeopathic medicine or other acute care homeopathic medicines, you can learn about our acute care program at acutecare@amch.org. Thank you very much.